Gala is an annual event that is usually hosted by third-year international tourism students. Usually in the previous years, the Gala is hosted by both degree students and also exchange students. But this year, our school doesn't have exchange students. So basically, us DPT 19 students have to host the Gala by ourselves, and we only have like a bit over 10 members in our team.
The decoration of the gala was underwater theme, since the general theme was Sparklantic, and for us it was something exciting in that name, sparkling, underwater, so the Atlantic, from Atlantis, so Sparklantic, Atlantis, and yeah, so that was the name for this event, and then of course 2021.
Thank you for following our invitation tonight, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor to host you at our DTP 2021 Gala. My name is Sparkos, and may I introduce the wonderful Ariel.
The good part of the showroom was that we already had some lights installed, lights you can adjust the colors, and we chose of course the blue color, and that turned out to be like a UV neon, so we wanted to do something with that, and then we went to the shops and bought the paint and organized some cardboard, and then just got started with some massive underwater creatures. It was challenging. It was challenging to work with people I'd never worked before. It was quite an international, multicultural group of different expectations and commitment and motivation levels.
Some team members are not really committed, and some others are a bit overly committed. So it makes the working process a bit tricky.
From my perspective, I would say plan ahead and also do the things in advance. So whatever it is, if it's organizing the food, do that well ahead. Start early, so then you have enough time at the end for other things, different things. For example, the rehearsal.
And there has been a lot of conflict and also arguments and stuff, but luckily we pulled it off and we have successfully organized the gala.